Welcome back at Shervin the Prodigy. This video I'll be teaching you what the XGBoost is. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna be comparing it to the linear regression, like see how it looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys the data set. Right here, this is the data set. Um so the R&D spend, administration, marketing spend, state are like the independent variables. Profit is the dependent variable. Um, and this is like a data set of 50 startups basically. Um, and basically that's the data set. So I'm gonna explain the code of what I did. So I already did the pre-processing, as you guys can see here. I imported NumPy as NP, Matplotlib as PLT, and Pandas as PD. Pandas for data pre-processing, Matplotlib for data visualizations, and NumPy for what do you call it? Uh, Math, right? So then I created a variable called a dataset and put all the data inside it, and then created an x and a y variable, and then I transformed, or should I say, encoded the dependent variables on the state column. So they're all numbers. And then after that, I split the model into a training set and a test set. Then I trained the linear regression model and then printed the test results. And then I also made a scatter plot to print out the results. And now I'm gonna be doing the XGBoost, and I'm gonna be also doing the k-fold cross validation with it. So I what do you call it? I don't avoid overfitting. So I'm gonna talk about overfitting just for a minute. So okay, good. So let's say that you have a graph right here. Right, guys, so this is a graph. Pretend it's a graph, and it's a graph basically. So I'm gonna have a point here, another point here, another point here, another point. These are all data points, and uh, and this is the data set, right? So when you overfit your model, or it means that it goes too right, right, guys? It's too correct. And this is what, and I mean, some of you will be wondering, well, isn't that good to have your model be incredibly good? Actually not, because if you continued and tested it in the test set, let me change the color here. It will look something like this. I know. You're like, what in the world? That's what happens when you overfit your data, guys. So to avoid this, I'm gonna use k-fold cross validation. So let me write it down. Oh, that's a H, not a K. K-fold cross. I'm just gonna write k-fold. What it does is that let's say that this is a what do you call it, grid. It has 100%, right? Pretend it's 100%. So what it does is basically, come on. So basically what it does is that takes random of these folds and tests it on the our model. So instead of having this kind of performance, if you apply the k-fold, I'm pretty sure it will look something like this. Yeah, that's what happens. So that's why I like, okay, it's happening. That's why I like about this thing. So now I show you guys what k-fold cross validation is. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I already did the linear regression, and now let's do the XGBoost. I'm so excited to show you guys. It's incredibly super powerful. Now I'm gonna first import XGBoost from XGBoost. I'm gonna import the X2. As you guys can see, XGBoost works with both regression and classification, which is incredible. And that's why I like XGBoost even more. XGBoost classifier and press enter. And now we're gonna train, not our classifier actually. We're gonna use the regressor, and we're gonna train it. I'm gonna call XG. Create a variable called model XG, and here I'm just gonna basically copy the XGB regressor, and so we can build our model. And now I'm just gonna train the model using the fit function. I'm gonna feed it the X train and the Y train. Shift enter, and boom, it's done training. Now now I'm gonna apply the k-fold cross validation. So I'm gonna go back, and these are like the results of the, what do you call it, the this linear regression. So come on. So now if I'm gonna write, now I'm gonna apply k-fold cross validation. Learn dot model selection. I'm gonna import the, what do you call it, the cross val score. Cross val score. Right, guys, so now I'm gonna create a variable called accuracy. Accuracy. And I'm gonna set that equal to our cross val score. Gonna copy that and paste it here, and I'm gonna add a parentheses, and here I'm gonna write estimator. Estimator. I'm just gonna tune some of the parameters inside, basically, and now I'm gonna feed it. Should I say I'm gonna write the model XG, our XGB regressor, XGBoost model, and I'm gonna write comma x is equal to x train and another comma, and y is equal to, well, y train. Y, yeah, come on, not that y train. Boom. And now I'm gonna write comma and cv is equal to 10. Now I'm going to, well, print out those accuracies. Print well, this and accuracy, and I'm gonna do a colon to see the accuracy, and I want to have a float value, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Point to float, and here I'm gonna write dot format. I'm gonna replace this part with our actual accuracy object. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So we're gonna have that mean of the accuracy, basically. So I'm gonna do accuracy. I'm gonna have parentheses accuracy c and dot mean. Should I see the average? I'm gonna times that by 100, so it can be a, I don't know, so we can actually see the number. Oh, wait, come on, where is that? Oh, okay, good. now if I do print, let's see. Oh wow. Wait. Oh wow, I spelled model selection right. Okay, so as you guys can see, it has a 77%. And if I copy and paste it, apply the k-fold cross validation to our, what do you call it? Come on. Accuracy linear. I'm gonna change our model name to linear, and here accuracy, we're gonna write underscore our linear. 67. Okay, so as you guys can see, our linear regression did 76.94% accuracy, and our XGBoost had 3 more higher. It got 77.62%. So as you guys can see, you can see that difference. Well, it's kind of like this much, but it's still the XGBoost still like at all times. It always, what do you call it? It always like uh, gets like a bit higher score than all of the other algorithms in machine learning. That's what I like about the XGBoost algorithm. It's very powerful. Um, so yeah, make sure to subscribe and well like this video, and well yeah, turn on the notification bell for more videos. And yeah, see you guys later on Shriven the Prodigy.